Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anurag and in this video I will explain the overvoltage protection circuit using op-amp and show you the live multisim simulation. What is overvoltage? So it basically means the input voltage becomes higher than the safe limit. If not controlled, it can damage microcontrollers, sensors, LED drivers, chargers, and etc. etc. So we use an overvoltage protection circuit to disconnect the load whenever voltage becomes unsafe. So basic working principle is that the main component here is op-amp used as a comparator. It compares the input voltage with reference voltage. If the input voltage is below reference, load works normally. But if the input voltage crosses the reference, the op-amp output changes and disconnect the load. This prevents damage from high voltage. So now I am explaining the circuit. Uh, Here we have plotted the LM741 op-amp and R2 and R3 is the reference low voltage and MOSFET 2N 7000 acting as a protection switch and LED as a load. The op-amp output controls the MOSFET. If over voltage occurs, over voltage occurs, the MOSFET turns off and the LED switches off. So now I'm running the simulation. So here we get the output. You can see the multimeter reading. The current op-amp output is 2.293 volts. This means the input voltage is close to the reference point. Here on the oscilloscope, we see a flat line at around 2.293 volts also, indicating that the op-amp is in transition mode. If a slightly increase the input voltage, watch what happens. Increase input voltage during a record. Uh, Now, if we increase the input voltage, okay. Uh, uh, if we increase the input voltage as soon as the input voltage crosses the threshold and the op-amp output jumps to a higher saturation, the MOSFET turns off and the LED goes off. So this shows the load is protected from over voltage. When the voltage comes back to normal, the load turns on again. So this yeah, in real world applications, this type of protection circuit is used in battery chargers, PC suppliers, microcontroller projects, LED drivers, telecom devices, and industrial equipments where safe voltage is important. So this was kind of over voltage protection circuit using an op-amp analog with multisim simulation. If you enjoy this video, please like and share, and also subscribe our channel. Comment below if you want the circuit file or more simulation videos.